Hello there, I am Dr. Das. In this course, Rainfall Indices for Multi-Criteria Decision-Making Models in ArcGIS, I have shown how to prepare 10 important rainfall indices for multi-criteria decision-making models. Here are 10 important rainfall indices: long-term average annual rainfall, rainfall intensity index or MFI, rainfall erosivity factor or R factor, rainfall deviation index or RDI, Precipitation Concentration Index or PCI, Rainfall Seasonality Index or RSI, Rainfall Anomaly Index or RAI, Rainfall Variability Index or RVI, Coefficient of Variability of Rainfall or CVR, and Percent of Normal Precipitation Index or PNPI. You can use these rainfall indices in multi-criteria decision-making models and also for time series analysis. Rainfall indices is most important and crucial parameter for multi-criteria decision-making models. Any types of hazards like flood, groundwater, landslide, environmental hazards, coastal hazards, and many more. But we have to much care when we use rainfall indices for multi-criteria decision-making models, because rainfall indices is most sensitive parameter. In this course, I have shown how to prepare it and why you prepare it and how to use it in multi-criteria decision-making model. Using these 10 rainfall indices, I have prepared 14 maps. Annual rainfall in mm for particular year, it is for 2020. Mean annual rainfall in mm, that's the long-term annual rainfall using high-resolution spatial data. Here, MFI and R factor, PNPI, percentage of grids or stations, and PNPI for particular year. RAI, percentage of grids, and RAI particular year. RDI particular year, and CVR in percent. RSI and PCI and RVI in percents of grid, and RVI in particular year.